Hi everyone, today we are going to learn beautiful acrylic painting. So stay tuned with Anahat Art. So for this session, you can use permanent yellow deep. Alright, scarlet lake is optional. I'm just repeating the colors. You will come to know when I'm doing the painting also. And then lemon yellow. Maybe Indian yellow is not available in the set, so you can use lemon yellow. Okay, so first we will take white. For white you can use bottle color also. Before we are starting, I'll show you how to do the masking tape. So this is the sheet. What I have done, I have already done two sides of the canvas. I'll show you another two sides. You have to cover masking tape half on the canvas, half on the notepad or whatever thing you are taking to stick your canvas sheet. So half here, same thing again, half on the canvas, half on the notepad, masking tape. So in the center we have white shade. So first directly we will not give the white shade. First I will take yellow deep, permanent yellow deep. If you want, you can choose bigger size of flat brush. Make a circle in the center. If you are using bottle colors, you can use orange shade from your bottle colors. Okay. Now take white and paint in the middle. Same you can give here also. When you are blending, make sure that it has some shades and range of your color. For example, here I am just taking pure shade, pure color, and then in somewhere here we are blending with the white. yes, you have to use flat brush. Because flat brush gives you more, when you are blending and spreading your color, flat brush gives you more reachability to your canvas with the colors. So between here I am using lemon yellow also for the shades. Some portion here, like this much portion, I will keep, I will mark here also. This much portion I will paint with the permanent yellow deep and lemon yellow, and some portion here I will keep for green part. Yes, golden yellow also you can use. Maybe the shades names are different, but it will get you same shades. In yellow shades you can use anything. Yellow and orange. So now in the middle I am doing little highlight by adding more white color. So again, if you want from this side, you can take water on your brush and blend this little bit. So it will give you smooth blending on your canvas for the painting. Now we are done with the background portion. Now we will start doing with the green part over here. So here I have lighter green shade, cadmium green paint. But if you don't have this shade, you can create this similar shade by using Verdian hue. Take lemon yellow. You can mix this, both the shade. You will get the similar shade like cadmium green paint. Okay. So the more amount you will add of lemon yellow, it will become more neon color, and if you want to make it more darker, you can add more Verdian hue. So first, before I am doing this portion of the green part, land part in the painting, I have to make sure the upper portion here is dried, because orange and green makes your color. When orange and green combines, it makes dull color. Like suppose some of the colors gives you very bright shades, when green and orange mix होते हैं तो थोड़ा सा डल कलर बनता है. थोड़ा सा like little bit we will use sap green also. Little Verdian hue from sides. ये जो blend है, this blend will be hided once we are going to do the grass part. Okay, now the main part is the grass and two bird silhouettes in the center. So for grass part, what we can do, we can take Verdian hue first. Use flat brush. Either you can use flat brush or you can use round brush, but I would suggest use flat brush. Take little water. Give strokes of the grass. When you are giving the strokes, make sure they are not of same height. Should be all different sizes. You can use sap green also. Similar way you can take round brush also. If you feel it's too much transparent Verdian hue, add little amount of white color to it. So now for lavender flowers, you can either take yes. So for flowers we are going to do, either you can choose this purple shade. If you don't have purple shade, you can use ultramarine blue. Very little amount of white we will take at the side. Let's take this ultramarine blue and mix it with the white. Now I will start dabbing very dot like shape on the canvas like this. See, in the beginning it will not be visible, but when you are going to give the darker shade of this ultramarine blue, it will come in the vision. Okay, so step by step I am adding. Make sure when you are adding this flowers, the shape should be like cone like, not going out of the proportion. Just keep that in mind. You can take white . So this is we have already Now paint it with the lavender flowers. If you feel, again I'm repeating, if you feel it's not enough, you can add again once you have done with the bird salute. So for bird salute it's very simple. Draw first circle, make sure this portion of the birds the salute should look like a bird. That's it. That is the main thing. Then the feathers portion. And one bird, if you are drawing here, another bird you will draw at this. Show very small legs to the bird. So this is how we have completed our painting. To beautify this, I will add more lavender flowers around here and more greenery part. Make this more beautiful. Adding more lavender flowers to this part. So this is how we have completed this painting. It's a very basic acrylic painting. I hope so all of you have enjoyed this painting. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of new upload. Thank you so much.